Like everything else, this garden is a work in progress. It started out a few years back with just a heap of prunings there, which I'm always adding to, and this volunteer plum tree which I've grafted various things onto. And the garden has expanded out as we've added wood chips and allowed various things to grow. We've added the raspberries, the comfrey, and on the front here sage, oregano, cabbage trees, flax, feijoa, Jerusalem artichokes, sweet broom. These rotten willow logs are used to help mulch the plants and prevent the chickens from moving everything else around, and great source of fungal activity. When we were laying the logs along this edge of the garden, we decided to put some surplus seed potatoes in amongst them. We did add a bit of rough organic material as covering, and then some topsoil from another digging project. The first step is to cut back some of this comfrey and identify where the potato plants are originating from. There are 25 or 26 potato plants here amongst the logs, and all these fruits you can see, like small green tomatoes, are the potato fruits. This area yielded around 19 kilos of nice clean potatoes. I'll keep about half a kilo for seed for next year. Easy to plant, no digging, no weeding, occasional watering, and then easy to lift. No stabbing of potatoes with a fork. I'm pretty happy.